Namaskar, I am Dr. Pratima Guleria, MD in Panchkarma, physician at Vaidyaratnam Vrindavan Ayurveda Chikitsalayam, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh. As you have already heard about a lot of ailments, their causes, how the disease is manifesting and their solutions. But today we are talking about the practical part, that is the preparation of the treatment. So today we are going to discuss about Navrakiri or Shashtikshali Pind Swedan. There are a lot of Swedana therapies in Ayurveda. Navrakiri is one of the treatment modalities in Ayurveda which is used for strengthening the muscles, and it's a nourishing kind of treatment. Navrakiri is a Malayalam word. Navra means rice and Kiri means potli. Shashtikshali Pind Swedan is a Sanskrit word. Shashtikshali means rice and Pind means potli. So, in Navrakiri, a special kind of medicinal rice is used which is harvested in 60 days and exclusively used in Ayurvedic treatments with the decoction of various medicinal herbs and cow's milk. So, what are the indications of Navrakiri? Navrakiri is indicated in various muscular disorders, neurological disorders like muscular dystrophy, muscle wasting and paralysis, Parkinson, paraplegia, hemiplegia and pseudomuscular hypertrophy, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis and underweight patients and general weakness and spondylolisthesis and a number of diseases. So today we'll also discuss how to make Navrakiri. So now we are going to show you our Kashayapura where we will prepare our medicine. This is our Kashayapura where all the medicines are prepared for all the Ayurvedic treatments. He is Mr. Rajiv, our Kashayapura in charge and therapist in charge. All the medicines are prepared under his supervision by all the therapists. Now let's come to the preparation of Sakshiram Navrakiri. All we need is balamul, that is roots of Cedar cordifolia, Navra rice and cow's milk which is from our own Gaushala. So firstly we have to prepare a decoction of balamul by adding the finely chopped balamul into the 4 times of water and reduce it up to the 1/4 of its quantity. And when the balamul decoction is prepared, we have to divide it into the 2 equal parts. Okay. So in first part we have to cook Navra rice along with cow's milk. Until the rice is properly cooked, we have to churn the rice and made into the potlis. Then the second part of balamul, we have to add milk into the balamul quath, and these decoction is used while doing the treatments. The potli will be heated in this decoction and applied to the patient. Navrakiri or Shashtikshali Pind Swedan is a type of Brihan Sweda, that is nourishing and strengthening treatment. It corrects the morbidity associated with Vata and Pitta dosha and did Dhatu Poshna. Dhatu Poshna means it provides strength and nourishment to the muscles, bones, joint and soft tissues. It also improves the flexibility of the joints and muscles, and it improves the body complexion by improving the blood circulation. It improves and stimulates the nerves of the periphery and hence improves the nervous system and sensory system. It also stimulates the brain cells which also induces good sleep and reduces stress.